Greg. I'm the Director of Kindness at the charity 52 Lives. The thing that I'm here today to talk about is the thing that I believe is the most important thing we can be in life. I think it's the most important thing we can practice in life. Now, hands up, who can tell me what is that thing? What do you think I'm here today to talk about? Yes. Oh my goodness, kindness, yes! So today we are going to learn why being kind is the best thing we can be for ourselves, for other people, and for this beautiful world that we live in.
I thought the kindness workshop today was brilliant. I think it reminded us as adults and all of the children why it's so important.
At the School of Kindness, we run free kindness workshops in primary schools all over the UK, and our workshops really aim to empower children by helping them to realise that the little choices they make every day matter and that they have the power to create the kind of world we live in.
And also, you can spend time with someone, anyone that you might be able to share your time with, spend some time with. That is the most precious thing that we have, is our time.
The workshops teach children about the importance of kindness using real-life case studies. We also talk about the power of empathy, and we delve into the science of kindness, helping children understand the impact it has on their minds and their bodies. Because when you can understand what someone else is going through and how they might be feeling, it gives you a better idea of knowing how you can help that person.
The children loved the workshop. You could tell by their reactions to the questions how excited they were, and they just were engaged the whole way through the workshop and really enjoyed it. It's really important to teach children about kindness because our job as educators is to teach them how to be the best person they can be and how to leave school and go into their communities and into the wider world to be that best person and to live their best life. And kindness is at the root of all of that and at the heart of it. So I think it's really important.
And I think also for us, kind of kindness is a real core value that we have throughout the school in our learning and our play, and having someone else from outside of school to come in and talk about kindness made it really real for all the children here at King's Rugby.
Give yourselves a big round of applause. Well done, brilliant.